Okay, so if I turn on my lock screen, you will see my name and an iPhone icon next to it on my lock screen, and in today's video you will know how you can be able to turn that on any iPhone. I hope you're all doing well, guys. So like I mentioned, in today's video I'll show you how you can add your name and an icon or an emoji on your iPhone lock screen, and it's very easy. You don't need to install anything. All you need to do is go to the settings application and then to general and then to about and finally to name. Once you're in the name section, make sure to change the name that you already have, make sure to add the name that you want, and then you can scroll through the emoji list and add an emoji from there as well. I chose the iPhone just to make it look cooler. Now once I'm done with that, I'll go back to the settings application to do the other steps, which are also very easy and non-installation are required. You need to go to focus and then click on or tap on the plus icon and then custom. Once you're there, make sure to add or paste the name that you copied from your iPhone name. You can type it in here as well, or you can add an emoji if you want. And if you're enjoying the video, don't forget to subscribe. It will really help me and help the channel as well. So with that being said, let's make sure to show you how you can add that to your lock screen. And that setup is very easy. All you need to do is lock your screen and then tap on anywhere that's empty, hold it, and then ask for your password and make sure to type it in or show it to your face so you can unlock it automatically. Once you're there, just tap on plus or make sure to add a widget. If you already have one, make sure to delete that one that you don't use and then scroll down until you see the batteries. Make sure to click on that one and then you can see your iPhone name and emoji next to it. The first one is done. Let's do the second one. And all you need to do is hold on an empty place as well and then tap on focus. Scroll down until you see the last one, and the last one should be the one that you added. That's how easy it is, and that's how you can install or add your iPhone name and also an emoji next to your lock screen once you see your lock screen every day. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like the video and don't forget to subscribe. I'll make sure to help you out with future videos like this or similar to this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next time.